Let's see if she'll start today. See if she'll start. Oh yeah. First negative day of the year. About -6 out right now. Ooh, shit, it's cold in Clubsburg. Better get some feel through there real quick. Nope. Alright, I'm finna have to hook some jumper cables up to it. Love owning diesels. Honestly, it's my fault I didn't plug it in though. So, get the whole Chrysler to save the day. This one should start. Let's see if this one starts. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice and cold. That's how we like them. Alright, I'm gonna swing this around so I can jump the truck real quick. See a fucking thing that's gonna suck. Alright, I got the Chrysler turned around. I'm gonna go ahead and try to jump in this baby. Pop this hood. Set y'all down real quick. Hooked up. Probably put my jump pack on that other battery. On that one over here. That one on that one. I don't even know if my jump pack's charged either. I know. How responsible. This thing's dead. Yeah. Alright, let's go try it like this. One minute, guys, let me get you set up real quick. On this little stand. Yeah, she ain't budging. Might have to hook up something to the other battery, actually. Usually I do. Alright, y'all, look. I ended up having to just take the batteries out and charge them up. These diesels are a bitch to start, especially if you ain't got it plugged in and shit. Keeping the engine block warm. And I got 2 used batteries, so I mean they're not like brand new batteries. Yeah, I ended up having to, I just took the batteries out. I got a battery charger. I put them on fast charge for a couple hours, both of them, put it back in. It still wasn't entirely enough because the engine's still so cold. It's drawing so much amperage trying to crank it. So I ended up just putting it on jumper cable on one side of the batteries and then emergency starter on one side, so I had constant power feeding back into the battery while I was trying to start it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get her to start one more time. I did get it to start last night. Drove it to the store and shit, but we're gonna see if she'll start back up again. I don't know, it's questionable. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It is a little warmer today though. It's like 15 degrees or whatever, so it's not -10, whatever, like it was yesterday. But yeah, man, if y'all consider buying a diesel, just make sure y'all know that these trucks are a pain in the ass to start in the winter. Especially older ones like mine. I got an 04 Silverado with the LB7, and honestly, I don't even think my plug works or whatever. I think the cord for it's broke, so I can't even really plug my truck in for it. I need to fix that, honestly. But yeah, guys, just one thing to consider if you got a Duramax, or even, I'm sure other diesels have the same problems and shit. Maybe not, I don't know. But yeah, guys, when it drops below 0, these things are a bitch to start.